I would rather ride on the back of 1,000 camels than prostrate before a handful of people. Patience is bitter, but its fruit is sweet. An old friend never becomes an enemy. Silence is golden. Wisdom saves one from poverty. Many things are born before the sun rises. The sun cannot be plastered with mud. Health is the beginning of everything. He who knows himself knows God. A true friend is known in times of trouble. Love is never without tears. If you want to do something, consider your desires, not your capabilities. If you have friends, you don't need enmity. Do well and throw it into the sea. If the fish don't know, God knows. Making 100,000 enemies is easier than gaining one friend. Life has both sorrow and joy. Sometimes listen to your thoughts, sometimes your heart. Setting for less is the key to peace. Try your luck once in your life, but try it in the best way possible. Do not do evil, do not find evil. Good intentions are the key to overcoming difficulties. In love, patience is the first measure of everything. Remember that death exists, even if it is out of sight. A lone wolf easily catches its prey. Worshipping is the greatest investment a person can make for themselves. Those who love roses endure their thorns. Bad words belong to the speaker. Beware of smiling eyes. One without reason is in a miserable state. If a man has 2 women, he is either wealthy or unhappy. An eye that doesn't get wet with tears cannot see the light. Health is the beginning of every work. Trust is the beginning of everything. One day is worth 1,000 of our days. Man's greatest enemy is their own self. Time is the cure for everything. One hand alone has nothing, but 2 hands together can make a sound. The past is the best teacher of today. The harm you do to others may be greater than the harm you do to yourself. A good memory is needed to lie. The living forgets, but the dead never does. The greatest poverty is ignorance. Eternity is composed of the infinite repetition of a single moment. The time that passes in the blink of an eye is as long as the rest of the world. The enemy created by a person themselves is more dangerous than themselves. The wise solve problems, fools create problems. Evil is often a test for good. It's better to empty your pocket than break your heart. Kind words make people happy, harsh words hurt them. The best way to love something is to fear losing it. Success is born from the greatest disappointments.